Hello everyone, welcome to our write-up for today. My name is Queen Lizzy. This is so sad. See a poem written about Nigeria. Nigeria, a land of general without war, professors without discovery, politicians without ideology, wealth without prosperity, religion without pity, leaders without vision, the oppressed without resistance nor worries, courts without justice, criminals without faith, history without glory, heroes without honor, schools without learning, artists without taste, intellectual without thought, theory without identity, appointee without rules, hunger without famine, change without progress, next level without foundation, democracy without citizens, democracy without freedom of speech, religion without conscience, land of money without amenities, unity without love, heroes without sacrifice, policies without plans, crime without corporates, sin without humility, integrity without performance, wars without enemies, billionaires without business, youth without dream, elders without wisdom, rulers without sense of justice, pastors without the fear of God, the non-share without respect for their connects. Nigeria, look yourself in the mirror. What do you see? Thanks for listening. Subscribe to this channel for more updates. Goodbye.